Mapian maapon kanyulangon, kadi si Joey Malubalay Utahi, currently studying Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Hiya Sata! Maling wato namong lango, hago ho, Jusel Bato Lenzano, a graduate of secondary education, major in social studies. Hiya sa Bagobok Lata! Matigar mapon kaniyo langon. Second, si Bia Catherine Kate Odo, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Development Anthropology. Hiyas sa Bagobo, Tagabo! Maopian Aldo Cantanlangon, kandi si Angeline Asmailanyag, currently studying, taking Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English. Hiyas sa Matik Selo! Maopian Mapon Kanilangon, siyak si Jella Kiaralaidan, a fourth-year college student taking Bachelor of Early Childhood Education. Hiyas sa Opo Manovo! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Second, si Johanna Wahab Turunan, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Hiyas sa Base Iranun! Assalamualaikum kariko. Madyaw na alaw kamayubos. Ako kadi si Jovailin Magarang, i-Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management graduate. Hiyas sa Bangsa, Kagat! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sakit sa City Hasmin Pangado Sultan, a first-year student taking Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management. Hiyas sa Bangsa, Maguindanao! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Second, si Siti Nurhana R. Sangkaan, currently taking Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Hiyas sa Bangsa, Mindanao! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Ako si Aniza Bangkungan, studied of Bachelor Secondary Education, major in English. Hiyas sa Bangsa Sama! Assalamualaikum kanyo katan. Ako si Fatima Zara Basal, currently taking Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Hiyas